Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics. You're signed into the correct account and the game is up to date. Once done, open the in-game menu or account portal and go straight to the redeem code or promotions area. This is where codes are accepted. Make sure you've copied the code exactly, including dashes and capitalization if present, because one wrong character will fail. Now that you're in the right place with the exact code on your clipboard, you're ready for the next step. You'll paste or type the promo code into the field and then pause to verify every character. Even an extra space breaks it. Next, if the system asks you to choose a platform or account, select the exact profile you logged into earlier so rewards land correctly. After you hit submit, pay attention to the success message. This confirms delivery, or to any error text, which usually tells you why redemption failed. If accepted, rewards may arrive instantly or require a short refresh, or once the code is accepted, go directly to your in-game mail, inventory, or rewards tab to collect items. Some rewards appear automatically and others require manual claim. If you don't see anything, log out and back in, or clear the game cache and restart to force a sync. Finally, if rewards remain missing, keep the error text and time of attempt and contact support with your account ID. This information speeds resolution and helps them trace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.